Welcome to Vimal's Curry Pot. Today I am going to show you how to make Chole Bhature, a very famous Punjabi dish. Come, let's check in for the ingredients. Now for the bhatura, let's measure 2 cups of all-purpose flour, just make a dent in it. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a cup of yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix this well and make a nice soft dough. We'll add in water slowly, little by little. Mix this and make it into a soft dough. Some oil on top so that this does not get dry. We'll close with the lid and we'll let it rest for 30 minutes. 1 big onion, we'll cut it roughly and then we'll chop it in the chopper. For the chickpeas, here I have a ready-made one which I got from the store. This is already cooked, but if you don't have one like this, you can even soak your chickpeas for at least 4 or 5 hours and then cook it in a pressure cooker for 5 to 6 whistles till it becomes very soft. I usually dump out this water and wash it 2 to 3 times and then use it. Take a pan, heat the pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is heated, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, some whole spices, 1 cup of onion minced. When the onion is slightly brown in color, we'll add in ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Fry this till the raw smell goes off. When the ginger garlic is fried, now let's add in the tomato puree in it. Cook this very well, at least for 7 to 8 minutes, till all the raw smell goes and then the oil releases on the sides. You have to cook it till then. Add in 1 tablespoon of salt and cook this for 5 to 7 minutes first. Now let's close the lid and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now here I have some half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. This is Kashmiri chili. This gives a very good bright color to the dish. We'll cook this for 2 more minutes. let's add in the cooked chickpeas. To make your chickpea curry more thicker, you can even grind a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of this chickpea in the mixie and then add to this. The curry will be a little bit thicker one. So this, let's add some water, half a cup of water. Adjust your salt level. If you want more salt, more chili, you can add. In this point, you can add. Now let's check this. It is done. I'm adding a little bit of quarter teaspoon of salt because my dish is lacking of salt a little bit. To my chola, I am adding unsweetened ketchup. This gives a very good taste for our dish. You can add in 1 tablespoon or 2. I am adding here 2 tablespoons of this unsweetened ketchup. And with a smasher, you can just smash a little bit of this chickpea. It gives a good texture to the curry. Our curry is almost done. We'll add cilantro, coriander leaves, and some green chilies. Cook it for just a minute, and now our chole curry is ready to eat. At this point, I'm adding in a teaspoon of chole masala, we have this in all Indian stores, so you can buy that and even use that masala. Now the chole masala is done. It's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now the dough is ready to knead, and it's ready for frying too. Now let's roll this out and make into small balls. You can make as big as you want. Usually bhaturas are all bigger ones, bigger than the puris. So let's make a big one. Load this dough and keep it ready for frying. Kadai, heat it and add enough oil for frying the bhaturas. Oil is ready and hot. We'll fry in the puris. Be careful. See that the oil doesn't splash on you. And wait till the bhatura puffs up fully. Good. You can see how good it's puffed. It's nice golden color now. Fry both the sides till it's cooked well. To cook this till it's golden color. I think it's done. It's good. That bhatura is ready. Now our bhaturas are ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Add some ginger julienne. Let's check how we got our bhaturas. Crispy and soft.